We are in the process of creating our seat side rail for both the left and the right side. Our rough dimension for our work pieces are 5 inches wide by 18 inches long. I did notice that one end of my board that I selected has a defect on it, so I'm going to begin cutting from the other end, which looks a lot nicer. And I always want to begin by squaring up that end. I can then measure and mark my board at 18 inches, making sure that I don't follow the chalk marks, and continue this process, cutting all 4 of my pieces. And when finished, I have 4 pieces measuring a length of 18 inches by more than 5 inches in width.